Bears are skilled hunters who can hunt their prey in any terrain, from land, dense forests to high mountains. With their sharp claws and large bodies, they can subdue almost any animal they target. Their extensive hunting skills and strong determination make them formidable predators. In the dim light of the night, a black bear suddenly appeared and frightened the herd of pigs. The bear's eyes contained a large number of light-sensitive cells, which helped it move and hunt well in the dark. It chased the herd and quickly caught a piglet. With its sharp teeth and strong jaws, the bear easily defeated the piglet. The bear tried to pull its prey up a tree, but the weight of the piglet made this task more difficult. In Denali National Park, a black bear caught a young elk, causing the elk to run away in fear. But it could not escape. Then the black bear tried to drag the young elk deep into the dark forest to eat it. In the icy northern regions, where ice covers the landscape year-round, the polar bear is a formidable hunter. Using its powerful jaws and keen sense of smell, it searches for its next meal. As it looks around, the bear spots a seal lying on the ice. Moving silently and carefully, the polar bear approaches its prey. In a sudden burst of speed, it catches the seal off guard and uses its sharp teeth to quickly finish the hunt. During the summer in the park, millions of sockeye salmon swim upstream to spawn. As they return from the ocean, they enter a dangerous area where hungry grizzly bears await. These intelligent bears stand near the surface, ready to pounce on the jumping salmon. When the salmon jump, the bears quickly grab them, using this abundant food source to fuel their energy for the coming winter. Grizzly bears can eat a wide variety of foods. They munch on grass, fruit, insects, fish, and even the flesh of other animals. Their curved claws help them navigate rough terrain and are useful for hunting. In this video, grizzly bears dig into the sand to find mussels. Their powerful jaws are perfect for cracking open mussel shells, giving them easy access to the delicious meat inside. The mother grizzly discovered a large eagle nest on a dry tree trunk near the cliff. She quickly climbed into the nest and began to eat the eaglets. The eagle parents were furious and tried to protect their nest, but the grizzly paid no attention to them. After eating the eaglets, she quickly left the scene. In the park, a powerful grizzly bear approached a pack of wolves to steal their food. With its large body, the grizzly bear used its strength to intimidate and push the wolves away. Faced with the grizzly bear's ferocity, the wolves had no choice but to retreat and give up their hunted meal. It was a difficult moment for the wolves. They had to give up their hard-earned dinner. A grizzly bear was chasing a reindeer from a great distance ahead. Sensing the danger, the reindeer ran very fast and jumped into the icy river to escape. However, the grizzly bear was determined and continued the chase. With its excellent swimming skills, the bear chased the reindeer into the water. The grizzly bear used its strength to catch the reindeer and drag it back to shore. Thanks to its strong swimming ability, the bear was able to hunt successfully, even underwater, and secure its meal. It grabs the moose by the neck with its powerful teeth and drags it to a safe place to eat. Brown bears are known for hunting animals that are even larger than themselves. In a national park, a large bear sniffs around, searching for prey. With its excellent sense of smell, the bear can track the scent of a moose. When they find a large moose, they use their sharp teeth to hold onto their prey. In one case, the bear spotted a wounded moose lying on the side of the road and quickly took advantage of the opportunity. Unable to escape, the moose was easily taken down by the powerful bear. The leopard's agility and speed are extremely impressive. It quietly approaches a dog and quickly attacks, catching it completely off guard. As night falls, the dogs begin to rest, unaware of the approaching danger. A leopard sneaks into the backyard and discovers a sleeping dog. The dog is chained, making it unable to escape. The leopard seizes this opportunity, attacking the dog with precision. moment, the leopard overpowers the dog and carries off its prey, demonstrating its hunting skills and making the dog an easy target. In India, people often have problems with leopards when they enter their homes in search of food. One day, a leopard sneaked into a house and took a dog. Holding on to its prey, the leopard tried to retreat into the forest to enjoy its meal. In the park, a dog accidentally wandered into the forest, probably due to being near a human settlement. While resting on the road, the dog was attacked by a leopard. Although the dog tried to fight back, it was too small to withstand the ferocious leopard's strength. In the end, the leopard succeeded and the dog became its meal. When a leopard is extremely hungry, it will hunt anything it can find to satisfy its hunger. While prowling near a person's house, the leopard spotted a dog. Seizing the opportunity, the leopard stealthily moved in and made a quick, surprise attack. In one scene, a curious puppy wandering through the woods approaches a sleeping tiger. Suddenly, the tiger lunges at the puppy and grabs it. This dog was very brave and fierce. When the two lions approached, the dog barked loudly and acted very fiercely. It even charged at the male lion without showing any fear. Fortunately, the male lions did not seem to mind the dog's attacks. Thanks to that, the dog escaped without injury. In one dramatic scene, a leopard caught a dog and carried it up a tree by biting its neck. The dog did not move, which made the leopard think it had a good meal, so it began to loosen its grip. In this video, a brave little dog is seen facing off against a lioness in the jungle. Despite being much smaller and weaker than the lioness, the dog is not afraid. It stands firm with fierce determination, even attacking the lioness when she gets close. This unexpected encounter highlights the dog's courage and defiance when faced with a much stronger opponent. A dog wandered into the reserve, quickly attracting the attention of a leopard. The leopard quickly attacked. The dog could only bark loudly to scare the leopard away. The leopard, startled by the dog's boldness and unfamiliar with this animal, became confused and frightened. Finally, the leopard decided to stop attacking and retreated into the bushes. The dog was trapped when a large python attacked it. The python wrapped itself tightly around the dog, preventing the dog from escaping. It carefully avoided the dog's sharp teeth and focused on squeezing the dog's head.